How do I look? Good? Alright, Garrett Farr here on a roof cleaning job. Basically doing moss removal on a customer's home. Here you can see she's had a bit of a moss issue. Just that greenness coming through. All this big clumpy stuff. So it's been there for a while. So what we have been brought out here to do today is to treat it, to kill it, make sure it doesn't grow back. So here I go. So to kind of explain my method, basically I have here is a soft wash system. A lot of people think that the best way to remove moss from roofs is to use pressure. Sure, it gives an instant result and you do see the moss just go away. But with the soft wash system, what we're actually doing is we're treating the moss, killing it, and keeping it from, basically, keeping it from destroying your roof. By pressure washing, what you're actually doing is removing the shingles. Make sure you're going to blast away the moss, but you're also going to be blasting away the shingle grit. And when that happens, you actually shorten the life of your roof. So with the soft wash method, we're protecting your roof, keeping the age, and giving it more years, because as the moss is growing, not only does it look ugly, but it actually is destroying your roof as it's left to sit on there. So our method is safe for your roof. We use the appropriate methods to actually clean the shingles. If you look, you can actually search it online. It's called ARMA, A-R-M-A, American Roofing Manufacturers Association, and our methods comply with theirs. It's basically using a soft wash, non-pressure method with the correct cleaning agents and surfactant or soaps that are required to clean it. So here we go. Just basically kind of show what it is. We're spreading solution on it. You can tell, and that's all it is. That's as hard as it gets. And you want to see instant results? You can see it right there. It's just beginning to die and kill it instantly. Here's the section we applied probably about 2 minutes ago. You can see that this was vibrant green and now it's a brown. This kind of moss here, you can see it's already falling off and discoloring, which is dying. So show you exactly what we do. That's basically it. Let's see some results when we're finished. Alright, show you a few other little things here. Obviously this is what most people are used to seeing. It's a healthy growth of algae on the north side of the house. When I say algae, you have algae there and many moss spores and stuff. And this roof cleaning method is great for removing moss, killing moss, treating moss, killing and removing algae, as well as black streaks. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gray house right there. You can see some unsightly black organic marks on it. That same type of roof would actually be great to clean as well. People often ask, well, I only have moss growing on one side of my house and not the other. I just want half the roof treated. Well, the problem with that is that they may not see it or realize it, but if you look, there's actually moss growing in these cracks and in select parts. So even though it's not unsightly, that can actually create more moss spores that will infect the rest of your roof. So our goal is to treat the whole roof and do a whole roof cleaning. That's the truth. Alright, well I just did half an application of the roof. I want to show you kind of what it looks like. I did that first, maybe 10 feet, about 5 minutes ago. And I just finished doing this section right here. Now you can see it looks brilliant. I mean, right away the moss is just dissolving, disintegrating, being killed right down to the roots. The whiteness, so we have the white that is the moss, and then this is actually the soap that you see, this white sudsy, powdery look. Now what you can expect is that after a few rains, if there's any chalky or white look to the roof, it will actually completely dissolve and wash away after a few rain showers. So it's nothing to worry about. If you do happen to see that, that's all it is. It's just sort of the soap that's left behind that is continuing to clean the roof as it rains and washes away. So still got the rest of the roof to do and treat. But yeah, you can see that I've treated the bottom row first, and then just the edges, and coming back down and across the middle here. So it's pretty exciting stuff. Alright there, we just finished up the roof treatment and cleaning job. Finished up first with a soft wash, which killed the moss instantly, and then we did a secondary treatment of zinc to give it a longer, more effective treatment for the roof. Many people have seen with just a soft wash on the moss that it gives it maybe a 1-year effectiveness, but with the zinc you actually may see up to a 3-year effectiveness. But of course we guarantee that everything will be killed on the roof after we're finished. So as you can see, the moss has been treated and is just, just barely hanging in there now. Then we followed it up with the zinc treatment across on the roof. And again, we did the back there just a little bit as a maintenance to the moss growing on the lower edge, and then the front here we did more intense application of the zinc. So here we go. Now only if we could just talk to her neighbor while getting that taken care of. And that's kind of what I was saying. We do offer the guarantee that everything will be killed on the roof. But as long as you do have neighbors or other people around you who have moss growing on their roof, you can tell that that moss is ready to just release its spores, and then which will unfortunately come and land on this roof and then infect it after this application. So that's one thing we can't control is nature. So wish we could, as it's raining right now. So let me get off this roof, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you, and I hope it answered some questions. Thank you.